Ben, have you got it? Got what? You know exactly what? Where's my money? There it is. And the rest of it? There it is. Good boy. Nice and busy for you, Ben.